Welcome back. So let's go down and we're going to simply work right in the widget build. Inside that, now simply we're gonna just wrap the scaffold with a widget, and in here we will have a container widget, as you guys can see right in here. So we will create a combination of a two color. You guys know already about that, the linear gradient color. We have wrote this code at so many places, so for time saving we will just go toward the splash screen and open that. In here, as you guys can see, that decoration, box decoration, simply copy that from here to here. Just close this dot file and we will go towards the profile screen dot. Now right inside that container, in here paste the code. There we go. Okay, now right in the scaffold we will just provide the background color, so we will go with the colors dot transparent in order to get that specific linear gradient color. So before testing the app, we will go toward the home screen and we will just remove that specific error from this home screen dot. As you guys can see, that profile, okay, right in the home screen, remember that. So in here what we will do, if you guys remember, we have created that, let me just show you, right in the profile screen dot that string type seller ID. So we have to go toward the home screen, and in here, as you guys can see, when we just navigate the user right towards the profile screen, then we have to provide in here the specific seller ID. Then it will just redirect the user to the current profile user. Okay, so in here what we will do, we will say seller ID, as you guys can see, it's a Gaussian, and then we say with their specific UID. So it's gonna simply get that and just redirect the user towards the current profile screen of a current user who will be online. So basically that's it. Now we will go towards the profile screen dot, close that from here and go towards the profile screen dot, back again in here. So for now on, we just successfully add the linear gradient color and we will just test that. So we have to hot reload the app. Now just go toward the profile screen, click in here, and there we go. As you guys can see, the linear gradient color, a combination of two colors, which is the orange and teal. Now we will just add the combination of two color for the app bar also. So what we will do, right in the app bar we will add a flexible space, and then we have to just copy that decoration from here, flexible space, in here have the container widget, brushes, take this down and paste the code. Okay, there we go. Now just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the changes for the app bar. There we go. Okay, it's now look more cool than before. Now we will go ahead and just add the back button as your leading. So right in the app bar, what we will say leading, and then we will just have that method that we built before, that one. Okay, so in here we will say underscore build back button, just call upon that in here. Now press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice that. There we go. Okay, as you guys can see, that back button in here. So it will just navigate the user right towards the home screen, guys. Okay, click upon it and there we go. With the home screen, go back to the profile screen. It's working fine. Now right after that, what we will do in here, we'll have title, and we will take the raw widget in here, write it and comma, all just fine. Now take this down, and in here we will take the children, write in the children, we will have the method for the bill user image. Okay, call upon that in here. Now right after that we're gonna create size box and gonna set the width, because it's a row widget, so we have to set it in a width, and we're about to just show the username with the image. Okay, so in here first let's provide the width 10, we'll go with the 10, and right after in here comma, I will take the text widget in here. Now in here we will have that string type variable in which we just get the username. Okay, as you guys can see right in here. So what we'll say, 8 username, add the const modifier with it, so they're gonna be kind of fit with the image profile of a user. Right after that there's gonna be some width, and then we just show the user name. Okay, so before testing the app we got an error, so we'll just clear this. So if you guys remember, we have already said that right in the previous video, so there is no need of that, because that title we successfully add that in here. Okay, right in the title we just get this row widget, and right in the row widget there go the children, and we just call upon that method which is build user image, so they're gonna be just that. So we are having that, so we don't need this. Then we will just del this from here to here. Okay, from here to here just del that, and all just fine. As you guys can see, the error has been gone because we set that title already, and there is no need of the other title, that profile. We will just now refresh the app, how to load it, and you guys will just notice the changes. So in here come and click upon that. Now just go towards the profile screen. The reason that you guys didn't see the user image and the name right in here, because if you guys remember, we left that comment before, so we have to just call upon that get result right in the init stat. Okay, so in here what we will say, init state, and right inside that we'll say get result, call upon that in here. So now go again and just how to load the app, and this time there will be the image and the name. Let's see, go towards the profile screen, click in here, there we go. As you guys can see the profile, and there we go with the name Peter, and it's working totally fine. For now on, you guys already know that I'm logged in by the Peter, that is the current user. Okay, so it just get the profile for Peter and their specific name. Now if we go back and just log out this Peter, log in again by the other account, which was Andrew Musk3 @gmail.com. in here just correct that, provide the @ and then we say G. Now the password that I gave was MacBook. Now just sign in, login, there we go. Now we are currently online by the Andrew. Okay, that specific user. So if we go back towards the profile screen, you guys will notice the Andrew profile. As you guys can see, it's just reloaded. Okay, and there we go with the name Andrew, because we are currently online by the Andrew user. It just got the user image and their specific name, and you guys can see that right in here, right in the app bar. As we set in here right in the app bar, the build back button, and there we go with the title row widget. As you guys can see the children in here, we just call upon that specific method, which is user image, in which we just did all of the work. And also with it we just give some width 10, and you guys can see that right in here because it's a row widget, so we have to give the width. In here you guys can see the width, and there we go with the text widget and the name Andrew. Okay, I have already explained this in detail, so there is no need of doing it again. And basically that's it for this video. Right from the next video we will work further, so see ya then.